Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel, and this week we get to look at an historic garden room at the amazing Royal Hawaiian Resort right on Waikiki Beach in Honolulu, Hawaii. When you're ready to book your next amazing Hawaiian vacation, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. And if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks! As you come into the room, you can see the door to the closet right there and your temperature control, the beautiful Hawaiian artwork, nice big flat screen TV, a beautiful king-size bed. These rooms come with either king-size beds or 2 double beds, and the iconic pink and silver wallpaper for the Royal Hawaiian Hotel there. A nice big desk, a beautiful mirror, and just lovely furnishings and a beautifully maintained and cared for room. Oh, and this nice historic ceiling fan to give you some additional air circulation in addition to the air conditioning in the room, of course. And you have the 2 chairs over there with a table to sitting area to enjoy your view of the garden. And these rooms were actually preferred back when the hotel originally opened because people came over on cruise ships from the west coast of the US and liked the view of the garden better than the ocean. You can see the beautiful grounds, lovely garden, and all the beautiful landscaping. More beautiful Hawaiian artwork, and here is the bathroom. So you have a nice vanity with storage underneath, a nice shower with a shower wand and a soaking tub. These rooms come with either a tub with a shower or just a shower. They have the facilities and extra storage for towels and towel racks, and they have the Malia amenities, which are made exclusively for the Royal Hawaiian Hotel. So a gorgeous room with a beautiful view of the grounds and the amazing landscaping outside, peaceful and quiet. So when you're ready to book your next Hawaiian vacation, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. And sign up for our free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks!